In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workflow in Smartsheet. Whether you're cleaning up old automations, simplifying your sheet, or replacing a workflow with a new version, knowing how to safely remove an existing workflow is really helpful. First, make sure you're logged into Smartsheet and that you have the sheet open where the workflow currently exists. You'll also need the right permissions on that sheet, typically as the owner or an admin, to be able to manage and delete workflows. Once your sheet is open, look toward the top of the Smartsheet interface for the option labeled Automation. This is usually in the main toolbar running across the top of your sheet. Go ahead and click on Automation. This is where all of your automated rules, alerts, and workflows for that sheet are managed. After you click Automation, a menu will appear with several options. From that list, choose Manage Automation Workflows. This opens a panel or window that shows all the workflows associated with the sheet you're currently working on. You'll see each workflow listed by name, along with its status and sometimes a brief description of what it does. Take a moment to carefully review the list and identify the workflow you actually want to delete. This is important because once a workflow is removed, it will no longer run, and any automated emails, alerts, or updates it was handling will stop. If you're unsure, you may want to quickly edit or open the workflow first, just to confirm it's the correct one. When you've found the workflow you want to remove, look to the right side of that workflow's row. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Click on those 3 dots. This will open a small menu with several options for that specific workflow. In that menu, select Delete. Smartsheet may ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this workflow. If a confirmation message appears, read it to make sure you're deleting the intended automation, then confirm your choice. After you confirm, the workflow will be removed from the list and it will no longer run on this sheet. That's all you need to do. By following these steps, you can keep your Smartsheet automations organized and make sure only the workflows you truly need are active.